Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to hide your number in imo. As you know, imo shows your number, but there are certain steps for you to hide that number. For this video I will be showing you how you can hide that number with few steps. Now let's begin. First of all, you open imo app on your mobile phone. Once you have opened your imo app, you click in the top of the left side on the profile icon. There you have to tap on the setting option available, and inside account setting you will see few options like notification, functions, privacy, media and storage, general. Here you need to tap on the privacy option, and inside privacy also you will see few options that you can make changes. Inside privacy, in chats you can see last seen, avatar, read received, calls. Here you tap on the read received, and inside that you will see three options given: everyone, my contacts and nobody. Read receipts mean that your number is present on the imo profile and that can be seen by the every person who will check your profile. If we tap on everyone, your account will be seen or your number will be visible to everyone in imo. And if you tap on my contact, your number in imo will be only visible to the number of contacts or the person you have added on your imo chat. Now the lastly, nobody. If you tap on the nobody, your account number or your imo number won't be visible to anyone. That means even your contact or the person added to your imo chat will not be able to see your number on your profile anymore. So, to hide your number on imo, all you need is to tap on nobody. Once you tap on nobody, your account number or imo number won't be visible to anyone anymore. Hope you have learned the process of hiding your number on imo. Thank you.